Changing the battery is quite straightforward, but you might have a problem if you don't know a few things beforehand. So I'm going to show you step by step how to replace it, including info on the battery to use and what to expect after installation. Before disconnecting the battery, make sure you have a radio code, but more on that later. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. Now loosen the positive terminal, but you don't need to remove the nuts completely, just loose enough to slide the terminal off. Then there's a base mounting bracket down here to free the battery. This one comes with a hidden handle included in the price, so use it to your advantage. It's good practice to clean the terminals with a steel wire brush or some fine sandpaper. But in the meantime, notice this lip at the back, which means your new battery needs to have a lip to slide in there and a lip on the other side for the bracket. And believe it or not, this battery is available with or without the lip. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. The terminals can now go back, but this time positive first, negative last. These terminals have a tendency to go loose, so extend the clamp and push it down as low as possible on the tapered post before tightening. If you notice the terminals look small, it's because they are smaller than the standard size terminal. So I'll leave some links in the description for the battery that will fit here. The battery should be in the 40 amp hour range and close to these dimensions. On startup you shouldn't have any warning lights, but as mentioned earlier you'll need a radio code which should be in your owner's manual or service booklet. In this case it was written with a pen as R code. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.